Hello everyone. So our Skill Day 2025 hackathon project was Exam Performance Visualizer. So here is our hackathon project. So I am using Brave browser. I have currently deployed this uh, project into a website using Python Anywhere, which is a free uh, deployment tool which is available online. So the website link is insightscore.pythonanywhere.com. So the name of our project is basically Insight Score. So here I will just enter the link and let's just log out. So this is the login page. As you can see, this is the login page. It shows the uh, name of the website, the aim of the website, and here it shows login. Here we can put in our email and password, but before we log in we have to create an account. So here is a create account button. So here when we click on the create account button, we will see a registration form here where you have to enter your full name, your phone number, your email address, and also the password. Then after creating an account, you have to go to login. It will actually automatically redirect you to the login page. So let's just go back because I have created accounts. Now if someone forgets their login ID or login password, mainly login password because they can just recall their uh, email ID. So if anyone forgets their password, they can click on this forget password. Here they have to enter their email address. So I'll just give a demonstration. First let me log in normally. So here I am just using a account, and note that real email accounts have to be used. Here is also one view password button, so we can just view or unview the password by toggling this button. So let's click on login. So it automatically logs us in into the dashboard of our website. So here you can see total number of exams, which are 2. I have actually already entered a few data in it previously. Here is average score. So you can see the average score here, and here are active subjects. So as you can see, here are it shows the weakest topics. Here it shows the performance trend, and also it in here you can see the pie chart showing exam distribution. Here you can see the error distribution by subject, and here are the bar graphs which display the which exam is like which subject you are more strong in. When you toggle these 3 lines, you can come here, you will see your name here, your email ID. So we are currently in the dialog overview section. Here you can go to specific when you add subjects, you can just go to specific subject and see. So for example, physics, here is the exam history. So the exam name is midterm, score is 85 out of 100. All I have inputted beforehand. You can see the percentage, it's 85%. And here in actions you can actually delete the data. So here you can see topic wise performance analysis. So I have added 2 topics like optics and electrostatics. The total number of questions are displayed here and number of incorrect questions are displayed here, and the error rate is displayed here, which was the main motive of our website. Also the pie charts and the bar graphs were also the main motive of our website, the main solution of our website. So it displays the pie charts. We can even toggle to see which part is how much, the value, and here are the error topic error rate percentage. As you can see, same goes for chemistry as well. You can see the same interface is shown here. Then we can just click on logout and we can just log out of the dashboard, log out of the account. Now we can click on forget password. If anyone forgets their password, I will click on enter email for OTP. I will enter an email. So let me just enter the email student1.hackathon@gmail.com. I'll click on send OTP. It will take some time and it's showing OTP sent. So I'll just click on OK. So here I have to enter a 6-digit OTP. So I'll be receiving the OTP in my email. So if I just go to email right now, so let me just switch the account. So here is the email that I'm using, uh, student student one. So as you can see, I have got a received an OTP. So here I am actually using my personal email to send OTPs and other emails, but later on I will change it to a professional email. I am looking forward to use professional techniques like Twilo to send email, but as I am a student it's paid, and as I am a student I cannot actually afford it right now. So for instance, I'll copy this OTP and I'll enter this OTP, and as you can see the time also 0 minutes ago, like it's just in it just came. I'll click on verify and login, and it will just log me into my account. So you can see also that the data is actually saved, so there is no issue of losing any data. It already saves, it is saved in the local server. Now also I have added a few more features, like adding a photograph, adding an image as a profile picture. So I'll just click on it and I can just pick any image. For example, if I enter my own image here, so it's my own image. As you can see, I can enter any image right here, so I can also do that. Now how to add subjects, that's the main thing. So if I just make a brand new account, I'll just show you. I'll make a brand new account. I'll use another email. I'll just use my own name. I'll just use the phone number, and I'll use here. I'll enter a password. Password might be of any length and any combination, but it has to be a combination of it must be combination of letters and numbers, or even special characters. I'll click on register. It is showing success, please login. I'll click on OK. I'll just save it here. So you can see it took me back to the login page. I'll just click on the account. I'll just log back in. I'll enter the password. So you can see I have logged in into a brand new account. Here it shows no data yet because I have not added any data. I'll click on add subject. Here let's say I am entering the data for final exam, so finals. Let's say it's for physics. Let's say the total marks was 100 and the marks obtained was 80. Let's say my week topics are electrostatics. So total number of questions that came in electrostatics was 16 and number of questions I got incorrect was 10. Here I will click on the add button to add the subtopic. I can also remove the subtopic by clicking this button, this cross button. Here topic name, I will add another topic name, for example magnetism. Total questions, let's say 20, and here incorrect questions, let's say 16. No, not 16, maybe 14. Let's click on add. So when I click on save exam data, it will save the exam data. So when I click on save exam data, it saves the exam data and show me all the data here, all the calculated data. So you can see it's a high percentage error. So it's just for one subject, it's the overall view. Okay, it's the overall view page, so I'll be just seeing the overall view. So as I have added just one subject, it shows me just one subject, but here when I come here, I will see the detailed overview of the subject, the pie charts, the bar graphs and the percentages in a very minimalistic approach. When I click on add subject, let's add another subject. Let's say for finals only, let's say it's chemistry. Out of 100, I have scored, let's say 77. Let's say I go on with inorganic chemistry. Total questions were 15. Number of incorrect questions are 9. Let's say I go on with organic chemistry. Total questions 10. Incorrect are, let's say 4. Let's input another topic. Let's say physical chemistry. Total questions were 20 and incorrect questions are, let's say, uh, 11. So I have entered number of questions here, number of subtopics here, and now I'll click on save exam data right here. So it shows me, okay, this is for physics only. So another subgroup is created for topic, another subject is created, subject-wide analysis. When I click on this, you can see 77%. And also this color gradient I have used for a good percentage, like for low percentage error rate, it will give me a green color, and as these are quite big numbers, so it's giving me red for 60%, red for 55%, yellow for 40%. So as it will come down to 30%, it will actually go down. So let's add another topic. You can see 3 topics, the pie chart with different colors. Let's add another uh, topic for chemistry only. So it's the same exam basically. I am adding for the same exam only. Let's add another topic right here. Let's say in aldehyde and ketones, I have, out of 10 questions, I have got 2 incorrect. Let's add this and let's save the exam data. So it will show me for this aldehyde and ketone, the thing is, the pie chart is quite organized here. It will show me 2 data right here for finance, because I have added it twice. So the user have to be very cautious while adding data, because of course it's fully depending on the user, so it's very low error percentage. Okay, so it will actually turn green when there is a 0% error. Okay, so if you just delete one, I can delete one, so it will just remove the aldehyde and ketone. I can also add only chemistry subject, only the subject, only the subtopic also. Let's say aldehydes and ketones once again. Let's, out of 10 questions, suppose 0 incorrect. Let's add it. Let's try adding it. Okay, all the main exam details I have to enter. My bad. So let's just save the data. So for 0% it is a green color. So it's quite unique. And so this is how my website works. I can add photograph, I can do many things. Also there is another thing that I can send the email PDF report. So when I click on this button, it will say me to enter the email address where I want to send the email. So I'll click on student one. I will use the previous email to show. When I click on OK, it will show me generating PDF. I have to wait a little bit. So it's showing me send to email, send to this email. So I'll click on OK. So when I come here, as you can see, I have received a report just right now. So it will send me a PDF. So this is a very normal PDF. It just gives me the overall the numbers, the stats, and yeah, for the account, for the specific account. It also gives me for the specific account, and yes, you can see all the data is here. So that's it for the website. I hope this website is quite cool, and thanks to my team also. So as you can see, it shows me the overall data. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and thanks to my team for helping me out doing this, and yeah, bye bye.